When making changes to the network, it is difficult to understand what the infrastructure is that is being connected. Gaining as much information as possible to understand risk is critical. However, that's problematic. Security assessments are often completed by a different team, often resulting in delays that impact the business. These complications result in inconsistent security assessments, which are detrimental to the organization's risk management success and audit readiness. Let's cover how Tufin customers can overcome these challenges today. Tufin customers use network topology to understand connectivity available in the network, which is helpful for troubleshooting connectivity issues or determining where policies need to be reconfigured to enable new connectivity. When using change automation workflows in Secure Change, Tufin users identify the risk of an access request based upon a network segmentation connectivity matrix that is representative of their corporate security policy or compliance obligations. For example, here in PCI Risky Services, we can see that specific services are not allowed between sources and destinations. When new access is requested, that access is assessed against the compliance matrices to determine if it violates security policy. The Vulnerability-Based Change Automation app provides the ability to expand the risk assessment to include the CVEs of assets and the source and destination of access requests to integrate more security into the change management process automatically. To get started, customers simply download and install the Vulnerability-Based Change Automation app from the Tufin Marketplace and configure it to be included in their access request workflow. Prevalent vulnerability scanning and management solutions are supported. Users simply define the threshold based on the severity of identified vulnerabilities that constitute risk to reflect risk in the workflow. You can determine whether you want to leverage historical results from past vulnerability scans or initiate new scans. Results are embedded in the results of Secure Change Access Request workflow and include reporting that can also be shared with teams if the risk necessitates business or security approval. By integrating vulnerability assessments in the change management process, you can ensure accurate security decisions are made based on the vulnerability of the infrastructure as well as the riskiness of access. Enable the business by reducing the access change process and ensure consistency in documentation of these changes. The Vulnerability-Based Change Automation app is a Tufin Marketplace application and is available today for download and evaluation by Tufin Secure Change customers using 20-2 and more recent. Visit marketplace.tufin.com to try the Vulnerability-Based Change Automation app and others today. The Vulnerability-Based Change Automation app serves as a complementary but separate solution to Tufin's Vulnerability Mitigation app. Customers that utilize Tufin's vulnerability management integration applications can enhance their vulnerability and risk management programs to identify where existing access can be used for exploitation and ensure that as new access is requested, granting it doesn't inadvertently expose vulnerable assets.